Drop rows with all zeros in Pandas data frame. I can use Pandas dropNA functionality to remove rows with some or all columns set as NAs. Is there an equivalent function for dropping rows with all columns having value 0? In this example, we would like to drop the first 4 rows from the data frame. Thanks.
It turns out this can be nicely expressed in a vectorized fashion.
One-liner. No transpose needed. And for those who like symmetry, this also works.
Replace the zeros with nan and then drop the rows with all entries as nan. After that, replace nan with zeros.
I look up this question about once a month and always have to dig out the best answer from the comments. Thanks, Dan Allen.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.